On this short quick video, I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok not letting you make a new account. First thing guys you wanna do is go into the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for TikTok like this and check if you have the latest update. If you don't have it, then you have to update it. And then go into the settings of your phone, open the apps manager like this, go to TikTok and now click on internal storage. Click on clear data and click on clear cache. Go back and now click on this force stop as you can see. Now or what you want to do next is click on this open by default option. Click on open supported links in this app and choose always allow. Very easy and simple as you can see. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end.